Welcome to Digital Toolbox. We're going to go over very briefly the 3ds Max interface in this tutorial. At the top we have the big M for Max, and next to it some very basic new, open, save, import, export, and managing your file. These are all up here too, and undo and redo, and then the title of your project, and then over on the right, some type in to connect to the internet, and these are all help access to different help menus. Below that we have edit, tools, and then it just goes on to different drop down menus for different things. Anything from creating and modifying to animating and rendering found here. A lot of things that aren't found in just basic icons are housed up here. Below that is the main toolbar. This has a lot of things that you use all the time. Transforming objects, selecting them, and even rendering them are over here. You can right click just like Rhino and access other toolbars too, like the layers toolbar is a separate one, and then you can dock that over here, or pull it back out as you see fit. So I'll just close that right now. When you first install, it'll probably be the graphite modeling toolbar, which is this button. Drops down here like this. We aren't going to be using that much right now, so you can just click on the graphite modeling tools, this logo, and then free up that real estate. To the left of the main viewport is the command panel, and this is predominantly used while you're modeling different things. It has these 6 different tabs: create, modify. Create is for standard primitives and different objects to creating them. Modify, editing and manipulating them. Hierarchy and motion are how to use different pivot points and animate them. And then display and utilities, how they appear on the screen, and different information about them. On the bottom we have a timeline. This is the animation timeline, and different animating tools like play or animation and next frame, setting keys for keyframing. And this XYZ down here is kind of important. It shows you your coordinates in the viewport, and then also when you're transforming objects, you can type in specifically, I want to go X units this way, or manipulate them that way. There's some kind of command line options here, Max script as well. And then last but not least, there's zoom options and orbit options down here too, that you can use to see your viewport. So that is a brief overview of the 3ds Max interface.